worried I've started my 11 plus preparation too late. What can I do? First of all, stop panicking about starting too late. What you need to know is this. Success in the 11 plus isn't about who started first. It's about who prepares in the smartest way and a way that works for their child. Look, I get it. You're seeing other parents who started in year 3 and you're worrying. But here's what I know for sure. A focused student with the right resources can achieve more in 6 months than an unfocused student can in 2 years. So, here's your action plan right now. 1. Take a deep breath. 2. Assess where your child is today. Use an EPP general practice paper in each of the 3 subjects, maths, English and reasoning, to diagnose problem areas. 3. Create a focused plan that targets exactly what they need. I've seen this countless times, students nailing their 11 plus exams with less than a year of prep. Why? Because they followed a structured approach and didn't waste time comparing themselves to others. Here's the bottom line. Your child's 11 plus journey is unique to them. Starting today is better than starting tomorrow, and that's all that matters. Ready to take control? We've got your back with everything you need to succeed, no matter where you're starting from. From exam stress to success, visit exampapersplus.co.uk today. We've got you covered.